Hi, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I want to share how to fix Facebook images not loading in your Google Chrome, and you are watching my Facebook page and there is no picture or there is no image is showing. So how to fix or how to solve this problem at a glance in this video I want to share. So before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe the channel, and if you are a newbie, and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And on the other hand, I cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called the Learning and Earning Tube, and if you wanna make money online from these two channels, just subscribe this also and click the bell button and like, share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. You're watching this interface and there is no picture is showing on my Facebook profile. So then what should you do? After coming here on this Google interface, just click on this three dot menus and then click on this settings and then click on then privacy and settings, site settings, and scroll down over here and then images. And after coming to this interface, here is a show all recommended, and that's it, okay, and block, add, allow, add, that's it, okay. What should you do? After that, you have to come to this Google again and click on this three dot menu and then move to clear browsing data, and then you have to come to there is a time range and you have to click on this all time and just click on this clear data, and just you have to wait. After clearing all the data, your Facebook page will be shown like this. And after clearing the cache, you have to log in of your Facebook profile by providing your email address and password. Just click on this here and then you'll get this amazing features. Wow, this is the amazing tips and tricks. You have to follow this step by step. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I cordially request to subscribe my first channel, Learning and Earning Tube, and also cordially request to subscribe my second channel. This is called Make Money Online. If you are watching this video, I also request to share more and more with your friends.